Hey, Moondog here. Now, like many of you, I enjoy my morning cup of coffee, and that's why today we're going to review this very simple drip coffee filter adapter. So you can make a cup of coffee, or in this case, as many as 8 cups of coffee in an appropriate coffee container. Now, I will be using, actually, or repurposing a French press that I have, an insulated French press. Now, I've been a long time proponent of French presses because they are very efficient in terms of the amount of space they use, and very efficient in how you make coffee. And you can make a really fine cup of very clear, smooth coffee if you use a French press correctly, grind it correctly, and don't oversteep. Anyway, enough about the French press. Today we're here to talk about the filter cone. This is the HIC Filter Cone, and as the name implies, it's simply a cone-shaped object, kitchen device that you fit in a number 4 filter inside. Now you can use either a paper or metal mesh filter, and then you put in your grounds and you pour in hot water and it drains through your grounds and through these 2 exit holes at the bottom of the cone, and that's how you brew your coffee. Now this cone fits atop, can fit atop a mug, a large enough mug, so you can brew 1 cup at a time or 1 mug at a time. Or, as I mentioned earlier, you could take a carafe and place it on top of that, and you can brew up to as much coffee as you can fit inside your carafe, in this case 8 cups. So we're going to see how easy it is to use. Okay, so a pretty good cup of coffee. Not unexpected, because, well, it is a drip coffee maker, minus the coffee maker itself. And I've owned drip coffee makers before and was quite happy with them. But why did I choose this over, say, getting just an electric coffee maker, a Braun or whatever, or a Krups? Because just I wanted to conserve some space. I live in a small house, and I've lived in small apartments and lots, and counter space has always been a premium. So that's the reason I chose this, because I already had very happy with a French press carafe, and then that's also the reason why I chose the French press, because I wouldn't have had to buy a separate coffee maker. I already have an electric tea kettle because I also like to drink tea, and one of the things about having an electric coffee maker is it pretty much is really only for coffee. Yeah, you can brew tea with it, but you really have to clean everything out, or else you're going to be contaminating the flavors of your tea with coffee. And in this case, I can still have my tea kettle or teapot and just heat it all from the same kettle. And that's really the only reason why I chose to try out this HIC filter cone. And I think I will be definitely keeping it So I'm quite pleased with it, and if you're interested in picking up one of these, I'll include a link in the video description so you can pick one up yourself. They come in 2 colors that I saw. There's a black one and a red one. Just be sure that I've seen some reviews on the black one, and apparently the black one has 4 holes, which to some coffee purists is too many holes, or in which case you'd have to get a slightly different type of filter that is a little slower draining. But in any case, 2 holes seems to be fine for the way I like my coffee. You can also get a porcelain, and there are also glass versions of this by different manufacturers. It's just essentially a drip cone. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Moondog out. Hey, if you like this video, please share it on social media. You know, Facebook, forums, MeWe, whatever platform you're on. And if you want to see more videos, check out moondogindustries.com.